Please, babes, let me save you money and time. These are the things you actually need to be in college. Lock it! Or, you know, you could be that person who has to text their group chat or RA. Anyone got any tape? Hi guys, it's nids.secret. Shh, she's a secret. Did you like that? Did you like what I am a college student who has been there, done that, bought the wrong things. So I'm here to help you out, queen. I'm here to help you. Okay, we're gonna have random must-haves that will save you dearly. Things you think you won't use, but you will. And then the things that make college just a little more bearable. All right, y'all, for random must-haves, unless your key is imprinted into your skin, you will lose that junk. You. Yeah, unless you want your face on the public Snapchat, get a key holder. Get a key holder. You can get one that's attached to your phone or whatever, but get one. Second one, you know where your outlets are located? Narnia. They're located in Narnia. You will not find those things and you have 30,000 different devices to plug it in. Get an extension cord. Get an extension cord. Or you know, touch their little roaches on the backside of your bedside. No, that's an option too. But trust, I can plug in a lot of things there, so do that. Okay, I also feel like no one talked about this one enough. You need water bottles. See how I didn't say water bottle? Water bottles. Because if you lose that junk, you're not drinking for the day. You have no water.
I don't need it.
Also, I don't really know how I feel about the ones with straws because I feel like they're really tedious to clean, so you don't want mildew either. I would low-key get the ones without it, but if you need a straw, girl, get that secret. Go. Okay, and this is for my girlies, but if I see that you're spending more than $6 to $7 on a going out top, I will find you. You need to thrift everything. I thrifted all my going out tops and they're all tea. I got so many compliments on them and they were only like $3 to $4. Like, guys, go thrifting. All right, things that you think you won't use, but you will. But you will. This is actually the most important section, so please hear me. You need a full-on medicine bag. A full-on, I'm not talking NyQuil or DayQuil. At this point, I believe those things are placebo effect. Those are placebo. You need every single medicine there is. Anti-diarrheal. Not that I needed that per se. Advil, Tylenol, Motrin, Band-Aids, Mucinex. Oh my god, pack everything in there. Because guys, I got sick so much during college, like so much, and it's the doctor's offices are never open. I had the worst cough. May or may have not been bronchitis. I went to the doctor's office. They gave me an inhaler. They said, puff on that. Mind you, I couldn't sleep at night. Puff on that. Please pack it. If you were debating this, no longer get the laundry bag with straps on it. Don't get the basket, get the strap. Because unfortunately, if you're stuck with a really crappy dorm, you might not have a laundry room in your hall. Guys, I literally had to walk outside with a Dora looking backpack. But you know, at least I didn't have freaking baskets that were gonna break. So you know that pair of Vita Converse or Adidas you were like, nah, I can't bring them. Especially if you go out like to the frats and stuff. Your white shoes will become black, not brown, black. Also, they're a big like, I don't want to crease my stuff. Girl, you're gonna have to walk anyway, so and you better not forget your umbrella or a jacket or a raincoat. Why I didn't pack this? But mind you, it was like 6 p.m. I just came back from physics test. It's raining. Not only did I fail the test, but now I'm depressed. What a bar! Wait, not only did I fail the test, but now I'm depressed. Not only did I fail the test, but now I'm depressed. But seriously, like, I forgot an umbrella. I forgot a jacket. Of course, that's the month that we decided to have snow. The first time in years we had snow and I was freezing. Also, please do not forget a portable charger. Or, you know, if you like being stranded in an unknown location with 1%, do that. Unless you have the iPhone 20 Pro Max. When I would walk out the dorm, I would have a cool 50% on me. The moment I get to my classroom, we're at 3%. Mind you, I have plans for the night. And also, like, when all of your friends are out somewhere and everyone's like, who's gonna call the Uber? My phone's on 3, my phone's on 4, my phone's dead. Now what? This is me editing, but get a bedside caddy. Cause remember, you don't have a bed stand. You know when you would like put like water bottles or like your books? Where are you gonna put that now? On your bed? Oh my gosh, this video seems like I'm like yelling at you. I'm sorry. I'm really looking out for everyone, okay? And for the luxury items that feel like an upgrade, my friends wish I brought this actually. Bring like a sofa or a chair, even a dog bed. Somewhere for your friends to sit, because one thing you'll realize quickly, when your friends come over, that ground ain't too comfortable. No. Also, I don't know about y'all, but I'm a huge like no going out clothes on the bed. But sometimes, you know, you're so tired you just want to sit down and the floor is the only option. But if you got a chair, now you have one more. Along with that, get a comfortable blanket you can lay on top of, or you can bring it to a friend's dorm. It's really nice to have. I know people talk about this a lot, but like this sunset lamp that I have in the back, honestly, the overhead lighting is pretty. Yeah, that exact reaction actually perfectly describes it. Get like a sunset lamp or like a mini lighting thing. It'll make your room look a lot cozier. Also, when you walk into other people's rooms and you'll see it, you'll be like, dang, need that. Since you got this far in the video, I'm gonna give you a few bonus tips. Just you and I wish I knew this before moving, but make sure you pack multiple sets of bedding, pillowcases. I know that seems like common sense, but some people forget, and you need to bring it. So when you do your laundry, like you can have a fresh, fresh set. Also, make sure you bring your business casuals clothes because you might need to go to like a career fair or whatever it is. Don't forget those. You can bring heels or flats or slacks, guys, and keep a folder for like important papers and stuff because I forgot folders. What are your weirdest college essentials, guys? I low-key wanna know. Put them in the comment section so that we can all like steal each other's ideas and love each other, okay? And if you want to see if the campus huzz is really your huzz, watch this video. We'll tag links below. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. May God protect you and bye.